Dive into YouTube. YouTube is amazing. Share your thoughts with the world. Make videos about things you love. It's like a video diary you share. You need a Google account first. Go to Google and click sign up. Fill in the form. Easy. Now go to YouTube. See that sign in button? Click and use your new Google info. Time to build your channel. Click your profile picture. See, create a channel? Click it. Give your channel a cool name. What's it about? This is your brand. Next, add channel art, like a big banner. Use bright colors. People will see it first. Make your first video. Keep it simple. Say hello to the world. What's your channel about? Upload it. Click the upload button on YouTube. Choose your video file. Done. Make videos often. Once a week, twice. Be consistent. People like that. Talk to your viewers. Read comments. Reply to them. Be nice. Ask questions in your videos. What do they think? Get them talking. Keep making great content. Be yourself. Have fun. That's how you grow on YouTube. This video was created by InVideo AI. Click the link below to try it for free.